Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in your boat smartwatch. First, download the official Bow at Companion app to your smartphone. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the watch. Connect your smartwatch directly through the app, avoiding your phone's general Bluetooth settings. Once successfully paired, your watch will automatically synchronize its time with your phone, ensuring accuracy. Some boat smartwatches allow for manual time adjustment directly on the device. To do this, access the Settings menu on your smartwatch. Navigate through the options until you find Date and Time or a similar time setting. From there, you can manually set the hours and minutes. Remember to confirm and save your adjustments to ensure the new time is applied correctly. This method is useful if app synchronization isn't preferred. For accurate timekeeping, especially when traveling, setting your time zone is crucial. Within your smartwatch's time settings, locate the time zone option and select the appropriate one for your location. Many smartwatches also offer an automatic date and time feature. Enabling this ensures your watch continuously synchronizes with network time, providing precise updates. Remember to keep your companion app active in the background for seamless automatic synchronization. If your boat smartwatch is still showing incorrect time, don't worry. First, double-check that your watch is properly paired with its companion app. Often, simply restarting both your smartwatch and your phone can resolve synchronization issues. Also, ensure your watch's firmware is updated through the app for the best performance. And hey, if you're looking to simplify your life, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. These steps should help get your time accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.